Okay, so my first task is done, and I'd like to show you a demo how it works. So first of all, be sure that you applied migration that populates the new user accounts to our database. And let's start with admin account. So this is admin user, and this user should be able to add new styles. So I'm going to the styles tab, and yes, I've got add new style button, and I can click on it, and I see that adding new model is working good for me. So I've got a save button enabled, and as admin user I'm able to save a model. What about a new account? So I leave this page and change the authorization on a new page, just to prove that backend is also working. So I'm going to log out for the admin user and log in as a regular user designer. This user should not be able to add new styles, so I'm going to Styles tab. And yes, as you can see, there is no any UI elements to add new styles. But if I will go to the direct page and try to submit a new style, backend will produce an error for me. So let's try it. I'm clicking save button. Yeah, and what I've got the message that you have no permissions to perform this operation. Unfortunately, I have an issue with showing errors, and it seems that this issue was already shown, and I reproduced this issue and explain it in another screencast. So right now what we have we've got two users. We have no UI elements for the regular user, and backend produce an error when regular user tries to submit directly the new style. So that's it. Everything seems to work fine.